Said we made it, shouldn't even be here. Been through the good and the bad, ups and downs, everything in between, but it's alright. If you hear me say alright, coming up like the sunrise. Grind don't stop, living my life on top, boy, you know we back at it.
Yeah, we got a banger, need a logo. Need some beats, man, I got them for the low. Never riding solo, yeah, I got my boys with me. Can't really trust nobody, guess I'm in my feelings. What's the motto, yeah, know the motto. Yeah. Wow. Right foot forward, left foot forward. Keep looking forward. Build like a Ford, cover like a force. Even when you ain't forced, never less force. Clutch like Jordan, yeah, clutch like Jordan. Don't hear me less important. I know it don't sound cordial, but the grind ain't cordial. My boys, we marching like soldiers, taking all the soul, living by the spirit, not by the culture. We be stepping out, no laces, no need for ovation. Nah, it's okay. All different locations. Talk about we out here. Ask the king, he voucher. It's cool, man, if you doubt us. We're like, oh Lord, we route him. I be on the mood, please don't get up in my way. I don't need no negativity on any day. Resting in the only thing that makes sense to my brain. That is why I do know why. I just keep my right foot forward, left foot forward. Keep looking forward.
Run it.